Hello, good morning.
Good day, sir, ma'am. Good day.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Pia Pelay Manalastas, 38 years old, live in Candaba, Pampanga. I have a live, I have I am a single mother and I have four kids, three sons and one daughter.
Okay.
And
Do you have brothers and sisters?
yes, I have a brother, two brother, and I have a sister, two
And
sister.
you are the?
I am a second youngest to our family.
Okay, how old are your kids?
The older is 19, and then the one is 17 and 14, and the last one daughter is 10 years old.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
With my living partner and then the mother.
Okay, are you a high school or college graduate?
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Kuwait, domestic helper, take care of kids and clean the house.
For how long?
3 years.
Okay, what are your main duties with them?
For take care of kids.
Aside from taking care of kids?
Cleaning the house, sometimes cooking when the one house worker is not there.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because I'm the high salary, because I need earn money, save money for my kids and to my future.
Okay, do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Just like, I don't have experience, but if you teach me or just watching the YouTube.
Okay, are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
It's okay also, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
To teach for singing, for about the good yani for good moral like that, for in the school singing.
Okay. Can you give an example on nursery song?
Like A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know with ABC. Let's ask song to sing with me.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
I am looking for the understanding, understanding and understand if I have a problem like that.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Just sometimes, but if I with them in a week, just I think I'm afraid if just first time I meet him, but I hope when I with in a week I'm not afraid because I have also cat and dog in my home.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am patient and you can you can trust me. I'm honest and I can hard working.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Hi ma'am, sir, good day. I hope you choose me to be your helper in your house, and I do my best to take care of your family.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
And I promise I finish my contract.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.